How to check blocked accounts on Pinterest. Let's get started. Launch your Pinterest app. You'll land to the home page. Now navigate to the profile page by clicking on the icon given at the bottom right. Once you're in this page, now what you have to do is click on the profile icon given at the top left corner. Now navigate to the option Social Permissions and Activity. Now navigate to the option Message Settings. Once you're in this page, you can decide whether messages to go to your inbox request or if you don't receive them at all. At the moment, in Pinterest, you cannot check blocked accounts. In order to check the block account or unblock the account, what you have to do is go manually to their profile. So click on the search icon given at the bottom and head towards the profile whom you have blocked. Once you're in the profile of that person, click on three dots given at the top right and select the option of unblock. So at the moment, you are unable to check blocked accounts on Pinterest. But if in the future Pinterest comes up with this feature, I'm gonna definitely update you guys. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.